Hi, I'm Eddie O'Brien.
And I'm Alia Modi.
Alia, you know what I like about the Bay Area? We have all these different pockets within literally 30 to 40 miles away. For instance, we can go to Palo Alto, we can go to Santa Cruz, we can go to Campbell downtown, we can go to Willow Glen, we can go to Silver Creek, we can go to Fremont, and every single town has its own charm. What do you think about this location?
Eddie, this one is absolutely fantastic. You are so close to Saratoga.
That's right.
Campbell, Cupertino, and the best thing is that you have excellent moorland schools. So this particular home is 1,700 square feet and is absolutely spectacular. You have to take a look.
Let's take a tour.
Welcome to 4735 Blanco Drive, a lovely ranch-style home situated on a peaceful cul-de-sac in the prestigious Happy Valley neighborhood with incredible expansion opportunities. This home presents a very spacious floor plan with hardwood floors, recessed lighting, modern light fixtures, and many upgrades throughout. The eat-in kitchen has been lovingly maintained and tastefully updated with white cabinets and new contemporary hardware. The oversized family room has a lovely skylight, providing an abundance of natural light with an adjacent bedroom that can be used as an office or in-laws quarters. Additional features of the home include a large master suite, ceiling fans in all bedrooms, a custom stone fireplace, water softener, new wall and ceiling insulation, and built-in storage cabinets in the garage. Both bathrooms have been exquisitely remodeled with elegant vanities, cabinetry, and faucets. The home is ideally located minutes to the new Apple campus, Google, Tesla, and many major tech companies. Saratoga Avenue, Lawrence and Santa Marta Expressways, Highways 85, 280, and 101 are all nearby, making it a perfect commuter spot. Thank you so much for taking a tour of our beautiful home.
As you saw, it's a gorgeous property, and we're gonna have a great event this weekend. We're gonna have live jazz music, food and drinks. We'd love to see you, and if you have any questions, reach out to us. Talk to you soon.